Charles Babbage, the divine programmer of the 19th century. Imagine a world without computers. Yes, you heard right, imagine a world without computers. Did you know the father of the computer saw his inventions as proof of God's design? Journey back to the 19th century and discover how Charles Babbage's faith fueled his groundbreaking work. Born in 1791, Charles Babbage was raised in a devout Anglican household. His intellectual curiosity was nurtured by both scripture and mathematics. He found inspiration in the Bridgewater treatises, which sought to reconcile God's design with natural law. Babbage believed the universe was not random, but a meticulously crafted masterpiece. He saw God as a divine engineer who had coded the laws of nature. This conviction deeply influenced his scientific pursuits. Babbage's engines were more than just machines. They were metaphors for creation. He envisioned the analytical engine following pre-programmed rules. This led him to question why God couldn't embed miracles into the very fabric of creation. In his 9th Bridgewater treatise, Babbage proposed a revolutionary idea. Miracles weren't rule breakers, but pre-written exceptions in the cosmic program. This concept challenged the prevailing view of miracles as divine interventions. In an era of growing skepticism, Babbage defended the possibility of miracles with mathematical rigor. He used probability to argue that miracles could be rare events programmed at creation. This eliminated the need for divine tinkering. His ideas were met with resistance from critics who saw miracles as violations of natural law. Babbage remained steadfast, arguing that denying miracles was denying the programmer's foresight. He saw faith and logic as complementary, not contradictory. Babbage's faith extended beyond abstract theories. He was deeply concerned with the ethical implications of industrialization. He condemned factory exploitation as a sin against God's image. He envisioned his engines as tools to elevate humanity, not replace it. For Babbage, progress without ethics was as unthinkable as a machine without a designer. He believed technology should serve human needs and reflect Christian values. Charles Babbage died in 1871, leaving his engines unfinished. Yet, his vision continues to inspire. Today's AI debates echo his questions about the nature of creation and the role of technology. Can machines reflect a creator? Are we mere programmers or part of a grander code? Babbage's answer resonates even now. Look deeper, the divine is in the design. Charles Babbage's life demonstrates that faith and science can coexist and fuel each other. His story challenges the misconception that Christianity hindered scientific progress. It reveals a more nuanced and inspiring narrative. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who appreciate the intersection of faith and science. Explore our other videos to delve deeper into the misunderstood legacy of Christianity's role in shaping civilization. Let's continue the conversation and uncover the hidden connections between faith, reason, and the pursuit of knowledge. God bless.